the Baby Muffin here, and I'm here with Simply Bina, which can finally show her face now. Okay, and we're in this tent
in IKEA.
Which
like
you can hear babies in the back room.
There's like windows out here too.
Yeah, okay. Okay, let's found her new bed.
Oh yeah. It's big enough for
I don't think it's new at all. I don't.
This thing has been here for like a couple of years.
Yeah, I don't think it's new. To my room.
Ow.
And then let's go to this
is Steve's room.
This is Steve's room. This is Troy Kruger's room. Yep.
I mean,
yep.
He's not.
Oh, this is his best painting. And this. And this.
You know what? This.
I gotta show. Wait, where's the top? It's so spiky, but I don't give a crap.
Oh boy, you ain't brushing your teeth. This is like going to the dentist.
Hey guys, please don't leave your children unattended on the bunk beds. Because they're gonna get so hurt on the bunk beds. Got a new house. This is our door. There's only a bed inside. This is our plant, which is growing, and this is our window.
Know it. Oh, we even got a window up here.
Okay, I'm going in our house. Oh, we need to buy some walls.
Some walls.
That's the kitchen. That's the furnace room, and
this is my house, dude. My house. Welcome to my house.
Yo, what the heck? Yo, what the frick? The big boy toilet. See, look.
I got that sunshine in my pocket. Wait, gotta hold it up. I'm taking a crap.
New office setup.
Yeah, don't mind the tags. It's pretty new.
There
Do
we
it
go.
right, bro.
Okay, this is we have a Yep TV. I can afford this basketball signed by that guy, which doesn't even real name. Oh, here's my closet, which has no handles. What is this thing? Okay, I'm guessing this is some sort of freaking CD players. And I have a freaking like radio over here. This is my new setup.
Oi. Yeah, Muffin moved. Yeah, I moved here in Muffin's crib, you know. We're kind of missing like a wall or two. Just one, you know.
This thing says
okay, yeah, check out this. I really like IKEA. Hashtag sponsored by IKEA. Not really.
This is her uncle's grandma's landlord.
Yes.
Donald Trump. And then that's her. And then that's her and her brother.
And look at my bed.
Which is a girl.
Pretty tight in this crib. I got.
Yeah, I actually, you know what's really sad? I have the exact same bed except with different sheets.
Oh,
legitimately. Wow.
Party up in here. Oh, we couldn't afford an extra.
Open and discover. Okay, what the frick's in here? T. Jenna. Okay, bye. Nope. I'm getting out of Simply Bina. Okay, I'm gonna steal it. No.
I'm mixing a wall.
Yeah, well, Trump needs to build us a wall. Really embarrassing. We got lost in IKEA. We don't know where our parents are, so yeah, that's kind of embarrassing. We're lost in IKEA, everybody. Freaking oh god.
We're done.
Yeah, we're oh crap. Yes. Let's go over here. Is that them? No. Boy. Okay. I'm like gonna secretly like poke my camera, like put it in my pocket, and then like being like eating, but they won't know. Okay, where?
Wait, try not to show Grandma.
Yeah, whatever. But actually, they don't really see me that well. But I'm in a giant, like polar bear thing. Like there's a bunch of polar bear stuffies around me, and yeah, let me see how long I can stay down here until somebody tries to get a thing out. Oh god.
Mommy, I found the one. I want this one.
I'm gonna pull out. Okay, put them all back on.
Okay.
I'm gonna dig out, okay?
Okay. It's alive.
The employees literally don't give a crap.
I know, they like walk past us.
Okay, that guy over there is staring at us. That's sitting right there. He's just staring at us. It's nice in here. Okay, bye.